So, it's hot, humid, and gross out here, like, seriously. I hope I'm not parking in the wrong spot. Okay, so, I'm actually a little glad that I came by myself because I kind of tore up Anthony's car on the way a little bit. But, I think it's okay because I'm in here now, and I'm not up at the mountain like I wanted to be. Like, I wanted to be up higher, but I don't know how to get up there. And I was waiting on Anthony's friend, but he's like, oh, I'm at this function, whatever. So I just found some really nice white people, like I always do. I'm hungry. I wanted to get some snacks, but I didn't know how close I was, so I just kept driving, and eventually I drove too far, and now I'm in here. Scraped the car and all that. So hopefully it's okay. I'll check it when I get out, but let me show you guys the view. Up. Oh shoot, somebody got their car stuck in the mud. I'm not trying to get bit up by bugs, so let me spray myself with some off. Somebody got their car stuck in the mud. That's what the guy told me not to do. He said don't drive in the water, and somebody did. Look, can you guys see that? Oh, that sucks. I hope they're able to get their car out. Anyway, put on some off. Oh, I feel so bad. Not to give it up. You feel me? Make sure these lights go off. I should have brought a towel or something. See, my nerves are just a little bad. I be tearing up my baby's car. My nerves is just a little bad for these fireworks, but it's gonna be alright. Oh, look at him. I think I can sit up here. I feel so bad that their car is stuck. Oh, they didn't see that big puddle of water. Oh, there's always something bad that happens. I'm gonna get dirty from sitting on this dirty car because it just rained today, but it's gonna be all right. Oh, look at him over there. I don't want to get on top of my car. It's a good thing about not weighing a lot. So pretty. I don't think there are gonna be fireworks behind me, but in front of me. I feel so bad that their car is stuck. Well, they have glow sticks. I am starving, so I won't be out here long. See, I'm around a lot of lights. I was the only one that didn't think to bring snacks. Like, nobody warned me. I hope these people get their car unstuck. Let me text this boy. Hey, I'm not up in the mountain, but I did find a nice little spot to see the fireworks.